Hey, Bruce here, the 5-Minute Handyman. I'm working on a shower using the Schluter system, Kerdi board, Kerdi waterproof membrane, Kerdi base, preformed base, the whole 9 yards. And so I want to install a floating seat here. Now Schluter has basically two kinds of seats that we could add. We could add one that's a full solid triangle that goes all the way down to the base of the shower, but my customer wanted to have a floating seat. So what we're going to do is I've already cut this to size, and this is 22 inches by 22 inches, and then this ends up being about 31. And so what we're going to do with this is I'm going to install this about 21 inches up from the floor there. And so the way to attach this, I can't drill or screw through this material. It's not strong enough. It's a foam board, 2-inch foam board. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use a channel, and I will start here, have the channel go across, and it'll be one continuous piece. It's going to come across this way, and then I'll have another a cut so that I can bend this, and it'll come back and return back over to here. And so the way I'll install this is I'll install this edge here and this edge here, and leave this one sticking out. Insert my foam board into that, bend this around, and then attach it. And then I'll go ahead and put my Kerdi band on here, inside corner, and so on and so forth to make sure everything is waterproof. So that's what I'm going to do. Here's what this installed bench looks like. You'll now see a time lapse of the process I used to build this. After the time lapse is a real-time video showing how I built it and explaining the process I used. Watch it so you can learn how to build a sturdy floating bench using the Schluter system. So now I'll show you the detailed process in order to build this bench. The channel looks like this, as I'm going to measure and cut these using a pair of tin snips. So my first cut is going to be 22 inches down. So I'm going to make this just a hair over, 22 1/8. And this way, 2-inch piece that I've already cut will fit in there with just a little bit of play. All right, so I'm just going to cut down on the two sides. I don't want to cut the bottom because that's the part that is going to bend and provide some strength and stability for me. Okay, so now that is the cut here and here. I'm going to have to, this is going to be a 90-degree bend, so I'm going to take and provide a little bit of relief here for the bend area. Okay, so now when I bend this, I get a nice 90-degree bend. Okay, so that's the one. And now I need to measure another 22 1/8. corner set. So we've got 4 on each side here. That should be more than adequate for this bench. We'll take our cut piece, slide it in here. Might have to do a little bit of trimming. That is one tight fit. Okay. It looks great underneath. Now, what I need to do is I need to trim this edge off here, and then I need to measure what it is to get back over to this side, and then trim that. Let's measure what our length is. And this comes out to 31. Right, so we're going to measure from here, this corner, out to 31. It's right on the edge of this opening here. Cut that straight first. I can bend this over and now across. Sheet metal is very, very sharp. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to cut this to at least the 45, maybe a little bit more than 45, so that it will fit over this. Okay, so I am going to fit this over the top. Spread this apart a little bit. I need to go over. Spread this over the top of this. And so that's the way we build this bench. Very sturdy. And what we're going to have is we're going to have tiles underneath here, tiles on the front, on the top as well, so that's also going to help for the stiffness. That's the process I used, and thanks for watching. Love to have you subscribe to my channel, and you can see different types of handyman and renovation activities. So thanks for watching. After finishing the construction of the bench, I covered it with the Schluter Kerdi waterproofing membrane and Kerdi band and an inside corner. Watch one of my other videos that shows how to install those pieces.